Been here for last 2 years, and the best thing that I like here is the first thing is the love and the affection that is shown through the kids, right from ma'am to all the support staff who are there, and along with the academic activities that we are doing, the extracurricular activities, maybe the festivals that we are celebrating, or the outdoor trip that we are taking, that kind of gives the child an extra exposure. Okay, so that's something I really like about the canvas, and that's what I can see is her behavior as well when she is talking with relatives, friends, and everyone. So that's something reflects there. So that's a very good thing that I like about canvas, and yes, we are continuing here for next 2 years.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Pritam Yadav. I am Joe's father. Actually, I think यहाँ पे जो में हाफ ईयरली सिर्फ पढ़ाई की है. मैं रिसेंटली ट्रांसफर होके आया था चंद्रपुर से. बट फॉर्चुनेटली मुझे पहला ही स्कूल ये मिला नियर अबाउट मेरे होम के. एंड यहाँ के टीचर्स आई थिंक पुनीता मैडम से मेरी पहली बात हुई थी, तो उनकी बातों से मुझे लगा कि इट वुड बी अ गुड प्लेस टू स्टडी ऑन. एंड इट वॉज रियली फॉर्चुनेट क्योंकि ध्रुव यहाँ पे आके काफ़ी डेवलप किया है उसकी स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. लास्ट स्कूल में आई थिंक वो लोग स्टडीज़ पे ज़्यादा फोकस करते थे रादर देन स्पीकिंग और फोनेटिक्स वगैरह पे. तो मुझे लगता है यहाँ आके उसने काफ़ी डेवलप किया है, बातें करता है लोगों के साथ इन्वॉल्व होता है. तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी. थैंक यू.
I am Mahesh, and it's been a fantastic experience seeing the child growing here. We can clearly see the hard work of the staff and the teachers, because there are a lot of improvement in terms of expressions of the child and the communication skills, and then they start learning some figures and numbers. They really speaking in the homes as well, whatever they learn in the school. So I can see the improvements and stuff. Good.
Thank you.
Actually, this is the first year of my child here.
Okay.
And I am really thank you and I appreciate you all, because I like the way you are teaching her, and she is very good. I think I am thankful to you because I like your school and as well as your teaching way, because she is enjoying very well here, and I like to appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Arav is here from last couple of years, okay, and we see amazing growth of this, okay, the way the school, the teachers are supporting, okay, and the ways you are learning skills, okay, you can definitely improve the Arav's overall performance, we can say, and that is the main reason we have again continued for the next years as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Pranal Jadhav, Manasvi's mother. I would like to thank everyone over here because I see my daughter how she improved a lot. First, when I used to come over here, she used to cry. I don't want to stay here. But now, at the time when she is not well, she is saying me, "मुझे आज घर क्यों भेज रखा है? I want to go to school. Why you have kept me over here?" So, big thank you to Punita ma'am, Sugri teacher, every teacher, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
तो अभी नृत्य के लिए यहाँ पे टीचर्स लोग ने बहुत उसको कोऑपरेटिव किया. एक्चुअली वो बहुत फर्स्ट वीक से ही बहुत रो रही थी. फुल टोटल 1 मंथ वो क्राइंग कर रही थी. बाकी उसके बाद थोड़ी नॉर्मल हुई. इसके बाद उसको स्कूल बहुत पसंद आई है, तो अभी वो छोड़ना नहीं चाहती है स्कूल. वेरी गुड टीचर्स मैम, बहुत अच्छा. थैंक यू.
Yeah, and I have always shared a feedback offline, but this is the first time I've got a chance to share it in front of everyone. Of course, I got my daughter admitted last year in LKG.
Yes.
Yeah, and when when I was here at that time, she was not open to everyone. She was very scared. Never used to share her ideas and thoughts. But in this 1 year, she has developed so good. I mean, I really appreciate all the staff, the principal ma'am, all teaching, non-teaching, everyone is so good with my kid, and she has developed so much. So much thank you for making so much changes in her. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanking the teacher and the staff of the school. I think Rudra has shown great improvement since he has joined Canvas International. we were supposed to shift last year from Dhanori, but we stayed just because of this school. We extended for a year. So thank you everyone.
Thank
It's
you.
been great.
Rudya, we enrolled Rudya when she was 2.5 years and we enrolled in preschool. And Canvas is such a fantastic school. Whatever Rudya is having interest, they have given more and more chances to her to show her talent and that's it. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
मतलब मेरे बच्चे के ग्रोथ में एक्चुअली बढ़ोतरी देखी है मैंने और सारे एक्टिविटी में वो पार्टिसिपेट करती है और घर आके वो एक्ट करते हैं हमारे साथ तो हम भी सीख रहे हैं उसके साथ
Okay.
थैंक यू
Thank you.
बेसिकली अगर बच्चे की ग्रोथ के हिसाब से देखें तो अर्चित इज गोइंग वेरी वेल। बिफोर कैनवस बातें सुनता नहीं था, बातें भी सुनता है एंड ही इज कोऑर्डिनेटिंग वेरी वेल। तो थैंक यू कैनवस एंड टीचर्स।
It's been a year we started here and I've seen the improvements in him. So yeah, it's good actually. Yeah, the feedback of everything is good. I think teachers, all the programs that I think we participated throughout the year, everything is good. Yeah.
She is growing very good. Like उसका जो confidence level है, it's very increased now. And I think जो activities जो आप लोग करवाते हो, it's very good for her. So yeah, it's very good. Like going good for me as well. So thank you so much, Canvas.
I guess for any student this is the most important growth phase of any children, and I guess we have took the right decision to put in Canvas. And being 2 years here, she learned almost everything what we expecting. I think this is the best decision to take admission in Canvas. Thank you.
कैनवास के वजह से मेरा बच्चा बहुत ग्रोथ कर रहा है। मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था इतना वो करेगा, पर घर वो आके वैसे ही सेम एक्टिविटी फॉलो करता है। तो हम लोगों को देख के भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है और वो अभी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल में भी थोड़ा ग्रोथ कर रहा है। तो थैंक यू फॉर कैनवास टीचर एंड प्रिंसिपल।
I am Kashmi's mother, and I regret that I took admission only this year. So that was, I think, too late. But yeah, Canvas is developing all-rounders. It's just not academic. In every front, child is growing well and developing well. So thank you very much. First of all to Rita ma'am, and then for the rest, all the staff as well. Thank you very much.
Rita ma'am, everybody. I mean, in very few words, I would like to say, I mean, for your kids out here, the opportunities are ample, and yet they keep everything simple.
कैनवास में जब मैंने अपने बच्चे का एडमिशन लिया तब से प्ले ग्रुप में ही उस समय काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट भी हो रही थी, कैसे जाएगा कैसे करना। बट द वे यू हैव ट्रीटेड एंड द डेवलपमेंट यू हैव सीन वेरी encouraging और वेरी पर्सनली वेरी लाइक। And thank you so much for teachers and the deans, especially take care and everyone to open the doors. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू। वो जब से एडमिशन हुआ है what I feel is वो ग्रेजुअली इन्फेंट बच्चों में ग्रोथ आना चाहिए। सो दैट इज कमिंग ग्रेजुअली एंड दैट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ कैनवस स्टाफ। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ किड्स। थैंक यू।
आया बहुत अच्छा लगा हमको। वो पहले बोलता नहीं था, अभी पूरा बोलना सीख गया है। बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू।
Efforts to grow this, and I am wishing her all the best for her like whatever her ambitions about the this to take this Canvas school to the next step. Thank you so much.
Little bit shy, but now she is confident and clearly express his views. Thank you.